Okay, girls, you can continue. I'm going to continue doing this. You have here more questions in case that you want to pause and trying to do all these questions, and then you can see the answers. Or you can check with a calculator, and if you have questions, you can watch the video. You don't have to watch it all. So the first one is 24 and 3/10 multiplied by 10. So 24 and 3/10 multiplying by 10. So I have to move once, twice, 3 times to the left. So this one is 2, 4, 3, and my decimal place remains in the same point. So my answer is going to be 243. Then 5 and 82 hundredths times 10. And of course I already forgot. 5 and 82 hundredths. 5 and 82 hundredths. Multiplying by 10, I think it was. Yes? Sorry, girls. Okay, so multiplying by 10. So to the left, once. I move this one once, 5. I move this one once, 8. I move this one once, 2. My decimal point remains in the same place. I haven't moved. It's aligned all the time. So my answer is 58 and 2/10. 58 and 2/10. Next one. Okay, so $31 and 67 hundredths multiplying by 100. So again, multiply by 100, I have to move to the left, but now it's by 100, so I have to move twice. So once, twice, 3. Once, twice, 1. Once, twice, 6. Once, twice, 7. And my decimal place remains in the same place, but I don't have to write it down. So my answer is 3,167. Okay, let's do this one. Beautiful. So it's 4,791 millionths multiplying by 1,000. So multiplying by 1,000, that means that I have to move to the left 3 times. So 1, 2, 3, 0. 1, 2, 3, 0. And actually you can write the next of the digits because they are all in the same order. Agree? And my decimal place remains in the same point. I don't need these ones because they are not placeholders. And my answer is 47 and 91 hundredths. So 47 and 91 hundredths. Beautiful. Now 7,020 divided by 10. Oh, 7,020. 7,020 divided by 10. So now I'm going to go to the right. Divided by 10 only once. Agree? So this one goes here, and then 207, and my decimal point remains in the same place. So my answer is 702. I don't need the 0 because it's not in the middle, it's not a placeholder. So 702. Okay, sorry girls, I'm going to do these numbers big in Spanish. 90.800. 90.800 dividido por 100. 90.800 dividido por 100. 90.800 dividido por 100. 90.800. 90.800 divided by 100. Okay. 90,800 divided by 100. So I have to move to the right twice. Once, twice. So 0, 0, 8, 9, 0, 9. Decimal place in the exact same, decimal point in the same place. So my answer is 908. Okay, last two. 68.04. 68.04, 68.04. Okay, divided by 10. So divided by 10, I'm going to be moving to the right once. So this one here, 4, 0. Wonderful. So my answer is going to be 6 and 804 10,000ths. Okay, last one. Okay, so 139 and 2/10 divided by 1,000. So again, I'm going to be moving to the right. How many times? 3 times, because it's divided by 1,000. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3. So 2, 9, 3, 1. And be careful here. Can I write it just like that? No, I need my decimal point, because all of them are in the decimals place value, and therefore I also need my 0. So that's going to be my answer. Okay, if you have completed all of these questions and you feel ready, then I'm going to, you need to go into the unit in Maths Online that I'm going to be posting next, and you need to do those questions, okay? Thank you, girls.